Here we're being asked, how would B and colleagues respond to the conventional wisdom in text one? So what is the conventional wisdom? First, it's that one species of microplankton should outperform or should emerge after outcompeting the rest. So we'll just highlight that opening sentence or opening pair of sentences. Text two, Michael Barenfeld and colleagues have connected phytoplankton's diversity to their microscopic size. They are spaced relatively far apart, and that means that they are not in direct competition. So we know that the text two people will disagree with the text one people. So by arguing that it is based on a misconception about phytoplankton species competing with one another, that seems pretty good. By asserting that it fails to recognize the routine replenishment of ocean nutrients, it's not about this routine replenishment. So we can eliminate choice B. Choice C, by suggesting that their own findings show that they're able to compete with larger organisms, that again is not correct. And they don't recommend that if ecologists focus on something else. So our correct answer is A.